Jai Gurudev children. Scratch is a programming language that helps you create your own interactive stories, animations, game, music and art. With the use of Scratch, you can create projects using downloaded or web-based software and then upload your project to the Scratch website for sharing. You can work on Scratch online as well as offline. Today, let us create two more new projects. So before we start the project, let us see the project. Load, open. Let us see it on a full screen. Observe. Again, I'll click green flag. Observe. Now, what is happening here? The rocket from this place, it is moving towards the earth. As it is moving towards the earth, the size of the rocket is reduced, and as well as there is a change in the color. And when again I click on the flag, the size of the rocket is back to the original size, and again it starts moving towards earth. Observe. Now let us recreate this project. File, new. Now for this, I will need two sprites. So choose sprite. I'll just scroll down. Okay, it's here, rocket ship. Click. Okay, this is my first sprite. Now I'll take the second sprite. Scroll down. Earth. Now place it wherever you want it on the stage. Now let me pick a background. Choose a backdrop. I'll take this. See, this sprite earth will not move it from its place, nor is it performing any action. So whatever blocks we'll drag it to the script area, it will be for the rocket. So first when flag clicked. Yes. Now what's happening? The rocket is moving. So I'll go to motion block, move. I'll just take it 4 steps so that next, as it is moving, it is changing its color. So change color effect. Yes. Now, as it is moving towards earth, the size of the rocket is reducing. It is becoming smaller and smaller. So change size by, if it is a positive number, then the size of the sprite will increase. So as it is reducing, I will type negative integer. Okay. Now let's check this. Just click and see. See, every time for it to move towards earth, I have to click, but I want it to move in one mouse click. So this action is repeated. So I'll go to control, repeat. All these 3 blocks, I'll put it in between the repeat block. Let me see what happens. Okay, now it is moving. This action, move 4 steps, change color, change size by -1. It is repeated only 10 times, but it should keep on repeating till it moves towards the earth. I'll just drag the rocket here. Let's see where it is. Okay. Now see. Now again I'll click. Now see, can you see the rocket? If I click again, it is moving farther away. So whenever I click the flag, the rocket should come back to its original place. Yeah, can you see the rocket? See, even the size also has become 4. It has become smaller. So I'll bring it back to its original size. Yes. Now this is the position. So whenever I click the flag, the rocket should come back to its original place and it should get its original size. So I'll go to looks, set size to 100, then it should come back to its original place. So go to now whatever is the position of, see here, what is the position of the rocket? Minus 184, minus 129. So whatever position is here, you can see it here. So just you need not type it in these boxes. So wherever you move the sprite on the stage, automatically this x-axis and y-axis change, and here also you can see the change. So you need not worry about typing the numbers. So what you will do is just drag and bring it here. Now let's see. Okay, but it is not moving towards earth, so it has to move towards earth. So what I will do, motion point towards, because when it is moving, the rocket has to point towards earth. So I'll bring this point towards, click on the drop down list, whatever sprites are available on the stage, they'll be listed in the list. Select earth. Now let us try once again. Yeah. Now, as it is moving, I want a dialog also in between. So I'll go to looks, say, so before start moving, I want this dialog to appear. Moving towards earth. Let's see again. Yes. Now as it is moving, I want it, I'll make this 95. As it is moving, I want even the background sound. So I'll go to sound. I'll go to space. Pick any sound of your choice. Okay, let's see. I'll take this space. Okay. I'll take either you have got space ripple and one more is there. So I'll just drag this down because as soon as I click, the background sound should start. So I'll go to sound, start sound. I'll take, see, we have picked two sounds. So one of the, I'll take space ripple. Now connect all the blocks. Yes. So let us see it on a, see the action on the stage. Let us see it on a, let us see it on a full screen. Yeah, was it interesting? So you can also try out this project. Once you're done with the project, save your project. Now, let us do the second project. File. Before I start with the second project, I'll show it to you. Okay, baseball. Okay, see, just observe how many sprites are required here. We need 3 sprites. So just first observe and then we will discuss. You all love to play, right? Yeah. Now we need here 3 sprites. One is the batter, bowler. Instead of bowler, we can, here it is a pitcher, and then the baseball. So let us recreate this project. File, new. I'll just delete this sprite. Choose a sprite. I'll go to people. I'll take batter. Yes. Next. People. Let me see. Picture. Next, I need a ball. Baseball ball. Okay. Next, I'll take this baseball. I'll reduce the size of the ball. Oh, not the direction. I'll reduce the size. It's still big. I'll make it. Okay. Now, batter. Let's go to costume. Batter has got 4 costume. Pitcher also has got 4 costume. And ball only 1 costume. Yeah. So first let us write the code for batter and pitcher, and then we'll write for the baseball, because we need to set the time of the baseball as it is moving. Events, 1 flag clicked. Now every time I want to use all the costumes of the batter. So look, switch costume to batter A, and if I don't give the wait time, I'll just see the last costume. I'll not be able to see the first 3 costumes. So in between, I will even give wait time. And again looks, switch costume to B. Again wait time. So later I'll adjust the time. Then again switch costume to C. Again wait time. Looks, switch costume to D. Yes. Next we'll go to picture. Here also I want to see all the 4 costumes. Event, 1 flag clicked, looks, switch costume to picture A. If I don't not use wait time, again I'll see only the last costume. So here also I'll apply wait time. We will set the wait time later. B. Wait time. Switch costume to picture C. Then again wait time. And then the last costume. Yes. Now let us Do it for the ball. What is the position of the ball here? Okay, see the position. So go to motion, because always when you click the flag, the ball has to come to the picture. That is the original position of the ball. And then it has to move towards the batter, and from that it goes to another direction. So let us take the original position. Go to, just here. When I move the ball on the stage, here automatically these numbers change. So whatever numbers you see here, here also you'll see the same numbers. So I'll just, this is the starting position of the ball. So I'll take this, go to. Then event, when it should happen, when flag click. So I'll join both the blocks. Now from here, it should go towards the picture, this point. So motion, I'll choose glide. Glide, yes. So to whatever position is there here, the same thing appears in the glide here. So I'll just drag and leave it here. Now from here, it has to move in this direction. From here it should come to this point. So you can see the x-axis and y-axis change. So here also there is a change. I will just drag. Let's see. So let us give a little wait time here so that it goes slowly. So here we need to adjust the wait time of the batter. Yes. So instead of 1, I will just reduce the time so that the action is proper. After you do 3 or 4 projects, you'll get to know how much the wait time should be. Let's see whether the wait time is okay. Still there is a delay. So what we will do, we'll just watch it for 2-3 times and then adjust the wait time. I'll make it. Let's see. Yeah, still there is a delay. So I need to adjust the wait time. Okay, first before that, let me add sound. I'll go to sound. And then after adding the sound, I will adjust the wait time. Library, sports. Okay. Okay. So I will use this here. I'll come back to code, sound, start sound. I'll drag and bring it in the script area. Here. Okay. Now, I'll adjust the wait time so that we get the proper action. I have adjusted the wait time for batter, pitcher and ball. Now let us see the action on the full screen. Oh, now it is accurate. Now we have got the correct timing. Yeah, was it interesting? Now see here you have got different sports here. You can try a variety of these. You can try out different sprites. Jai Gurudev.